Stop saying it's very hard. If you want to sound natural, you need better expressions, and they're super easy. Phrase 1. It's tough. First one. It's tough. Short, simple, and way more natural than very hard. Phrase 2. It's challenging. Next. It's challenging. This sounds confident, not negative. Great for school, work, or anything you're facing head-on. Phrase 3. It's brutal. If something feels almost impossible, say, it's brutal. Native speakers use this a lot for incredibly difficult tasks or stressful situations. Phrase 4. I'm struggling with it. Another good one. I'm struggling with it. This shows you're trying, but it's not easy, and it's very honest. Phrase 5. This is no joke. And my favorite. This is no joke. Use this when the difficulty is serious and maybe a little scary. It adds drama and emphasis. For example, this final exam? This is no joke. So stop saying it's very hard. You have way more natural ways to express difficulty now. Comment which one you'll use today. It's tough or it's brutal. And follow Piece of Cake Speak English for more everyday English made easy.